Good morning everyone. Welcome to Examshala UPSC YouTube channel. Welcomes you all to the Indian Society topic paper 1 of GS sections. I am Amit and today we will start from where we have left yesterday. Mark your attendance so we can start our class soon. Chaliye, so let's start. So yesterday we have started the salient feature of Indian society, and we have discussed certain salient features. We have discussed till diversity. Now we will resume this session from there. Indian society salient features. So first we have seen this multiculturalism. Then we have seen unity in diversity. And third we have seen the diversity in Indian society, and under diversity we have seen the different types of diversity. So under diversity we have seen first is linguistic diversity, then religious diversity, then region diversity, ethnic diversity, then caste diversity, and the last one is race diversity. Diversity in terms of race. So now today we will see what are the problems with this diversity, and after discussing the problem we will see how Indian society shows the feature of unity irrespective of this so much diversity. So now we will see the problem created through this diversity. So if it talks about the problem, then we have a problem related to linguist diversity is linguist nationalism. Linguist nationalism. Then a problem related to religion is communalism. Communalisms. It's clear? So this communalism has been separately mentioned in our topic by the UPSC has specially given communism as a separate topic under the Indian society. The next diversity problem is related with the region, which is known as a regionalism. Then next is ethno nationalism. Next, a problem related to the caste is casteism. And the last is racism. So these are the problems which are related to the diversity in India. Clear? Now we will move further and we will see the other diversity or other salient feature of the society. So the next So third we have seen, so third salient feature is diversity, and then the next will be patriarchy. Patriarchy. So we have one of the salient feature of Indian society is patriarchy, and there is one also topic under added by the commission under Indian society is women and its organization role. So this women and role of women and its organizations will be understood through the system of patriarchy. So as we know that our Indian society is a patriarchal society, and due to this patriarchal society, women have to face many challenges in their daily day-to-day lifestyles, related to educations, related to the health, related to religion, related to job opportunities. So this woman has to face not only a problem in a domestic violence as we know, but also there is a violence in a workplace violence, workplace harassment, job harassment. So this all things is a challenge related to women, and that is directly related to the salient feature of Indian society as a patriarchal society. Due to this patriarchal society, women faces many challenges in her life. Clear? So once again we will move to the our salient feature. So the fourth one is patriarchy, and after that we will see the next salient feature, that is fifth one is secularism. Secularism. Now here we can say, anyone can ask how the unique feature of Indian society is secularism, though we all know that secularism is a feature of overall society in the world. So here we can say that secularism in Indian society is different from the Western secularism, and the way it has been performed and way it has been implemented, it that's make it the different from the other secularism of the Western world. So here in Indian secularism is different from the Western secularism. Now we will see how it is different from the Western secularism, and by going through this we can understand how the secularism is also one of the basic and unique feature of Indian society. So in what the Western secularism says, it says that there is a complete separation of state and religion. There is a complete separation of state and religion in the Western secularism, which means if anyone's religious rights is violated in a Western world or Western secularisms, he or she cannot retrieve his, or you can say retrieve his rights, religious rights from the state, or in a simple term we can say that the state is not going to interfere in the religious matter, whether if it's take away any religious rights from the individuals. So and in India we know that though we do not have an state religion, but India's support each and everyone, minorities and majority religions, and it gives freedom to everyone to practice its own religion. Freedom to practice own religion, and if anyone's religion is violated by an individual or by an act of a state, then his freedom of religion is protected. protected by Article 32, as we all know. It's clear? So we can say that Indian secularism is a way different from the Western secularism, as Indian secularism, Indian state, not only alienate itself, but it also support, and it give it give a financial support and every type of support to everyone's to practice their own religion individually. Clear? So this is how we can say that our secularism is also a unique feature of the Indian society. So moving back to the basic feature, salient feature. So we have seen multiculturalism, unity in diversity, and we have seen the diversity, then patriarchy, secularism, and the next is a joint family. Is also one of the basic feature or unique feature of Indian society. So this is all from the salient feature of Indian society. Is it clear? I hope you got the concept clear regarding the salient feature of Indian society. Clear? Now we will move to the next topic, globalization. We will see the term globalizations, then we will see the globalization effect of globalizations. So what is globalizations? To understand a globalizations, we need to understand this figure. Suppose this is an economy portion, and this is an society and culture of any society. Economy, this is society, culture, and this shaded portion, this shaded portion indicates this shaded portion. So this is an economic part of the world, and this is the society and culture part of the world. And when the economy and social or culture interact with each other or get interdependent with each other, then this interdependence is known as an globalization. So we can show that, or interactions of the economy of the one part to the social of society or culture of the another part will get interacted, merge, and a mix up, then it known as a globalizations. And this term globalizations is been used by Ritzer. It's clear? So this is globalizations. Now we will see how the globalization has impacted the world by its interacting or by making the world a same place for everyone. Effect of globalizations. Now there are many effect. We will see each one of the different effect of the globalization. So under the effect of globalizations, we will see the effect of globalization on culture. Then we will see the effect of globalizations on women, how women were affected by the advent of the globalization in India, how it has, whether it has impacted positively or negatively, or we can say that it has impacted in a both ways, somewhat positive and somewhat negative. Similarly, we can say, and we are going to see also how the globalization has totally empowered or overthrown the Indian culture, or whether it has mixed with, or whether the Indian society does not accept the globalization. So we are going to see under the effect of globalization under culture. Then we will see effect of globalization on youth, how it has been impacted the youth. Then we will see how the old age has been impacted by the globalizations, how the environment has been impacted with the globalizations. Clear? So this one by one we will see how it has been affected, or we can say that impact of globalization on each of these subsections. So let's start with the effect of globalizations on culture. Effect of globalization on culture. Now, now we will see how the globalization has impacted culture. Now, globalization has impacted culture in three different ways. The first one, we can say that it has made an homogenization. Second, hybridization. And the last one, it has revival of local culture. So under these three, terms or topic, we are going to understand how it has impacted our culture. So first we will start with the homogenizations of a culture. So homogenization of culture means the term itself means that all the culture of the world become homogeneous, means become one. So it says all the culture of world become homogeneous, that is one culture, one culture. So it means that those societies or cultures from where we have imported the globalizations, the economic impact in a receiving country will be affected by the culture of the producer company. And we can see this trend in our different form also. Like if we say that we have a homogenization of our culture in a family system, how this homogenization has impacted our family system. It has impacted our food habit, it has impacted our entertainment habit, it has impacted our dressing habit, clothing habit. So we can see how this culture globalization has impacted our homogenization has been done to the Indian culture. So this homogenizations can be seen in a different way. So first, if we talks about the family, By example, we can understand what do we mean by homogenizations. It means homogeneous, a similar culture of an world. So it has impacted in our family. As we all know that our family or a traditional family is we have a joint family system since the earliest civilizations. We can say that since the Indus Valley civilizations, we have a family of a joint family system. आप दिख रहे हो